Hi everyone, this is Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Alright, so New Craft Day contacted me and asked me if I'd try out a couple of their products. So I picked out this crochet hook set and this yarn. These are both the same. And you saw how this came in the package. This package was in the shipping bag and these were not in this package, but they were just loose in there. I'm not sure how that happened because this bag seemed to have been sealed, but anyway, this is the hook set. So let's take a look. It's an 8-piece set. The sizes go from 2.5 millimeter to 6 millimeter. Take a closer look. They're like a rubberized handle. See how soft that is? It can be bent. Aluminum shaft on here. There's the head. Let's see. Looks pretty smooth. Looks smooth, yeah. Come in these pretty colors. Each one has a different color. The size is actually engraved right on there. I find it a little bit hard to see on this yellow one. I can see it better on this purple one. This is a 5.5 and this yellow one is a, goodness gracious, it's a 6. Okay, so it has the indentation on the top here and it's kind of a little bit rounded on this bottom part here. Yeah, and again, like with the other hooks I showed before in the last couple of videos, these are short, so if you're a knife holder like me, they may press against your hand here. I always have that problem with the shorter hooks where they make my hand ache here, but if they don't do that to you, then these are great for you because handles are really nice and soft. You know, they're not really hard surface. Well, they're a little bit hard, but they're bendable. And I guess a pencil holder wouldn't have a problem with the shorter hooks, from what I've been told from your comments, and thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that. And so yeah, this is an 8-piece set. It says on the site they're for arthritic hands. The handle is, they say on the site, the length of the handle 5.31, or the whole hook from the hook to the end is 5.31 inches or 13.5 centimeters. And this whole set is $5.28 Canadian. So I think they're a nice little set, very inexpensive, you know, but I think they're made pretty well. Yeah, they seem to be made quite well. So yes, I would recommend this set. And for $5.28 Canadian, oh goodness, wow. Amazing deal. I mean, you could buy several and give them as gifts, or if you have a channel, you can put them in your giveaways. Yeah, this is probably, this set will be going in a giveaway eventually, because they are too short for me. So I mean, if you want to enter that giveaway in a future video and you don't mind the short ones, then by all means enter. But not this video. It'll be in a future video. So yeah, so that's that. Okay, let's take a look at this yarn. Now, this yarn comes like this, individually packaged. And I did play around with this one last night. This is the same as that one, same color, everything. So that's why it's wrapped like that. I was playing around with it. All right, so what it says on here is lace yarn. Look at all those beautiful colors. There's yellows, there's pinks, baby blue. There's an orangey, kind of orangey colorway. Kind of not really orangey, but well, maybe orangey. Yeah, a light orange. Very pretty colors. All right, so because this is China or made in China, there is the information on it is in Chinese. I know this says hand wash. Okay. Hand wash, do not dry clean, do not iron, lay flat to dry, do not bleach, and then they have a shirt here. So I guess it's letting you know you can make a shirt or a top with this yarn. And then they have other Chinese writing that I don't read. All right, so let me tell you what they say on the site about this yarn. They give a lot more information on the actual site. Okay, they say it's, let's see, I'm going to find the end here. Here's an end. This is very, very thin yarn. They say on the end it's 10 strands, so that would be, you know, if you pull it apart, there should be 10 strands in here. And I think there might be, it's really, yeah, I think there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably is. I mean, there's lots in there. It's hard to see because they're so tiny. But, okay, it says 10 strand. It says worsted. It says section dyed. DIY crochet thread knitting sweater yarn. And then it says 40 grams. So there's 40, should be 40 grams in each ball. It says non-pilling, breathable, non-itching, skin-friendly, cotton and acrylic blend. So I would agree that there's definitely cotton in here because it does feel like cotton. And it's, you know, that those 10 strands are plied together. So it doesn't look like it would split at all. Actually, I did try working with it last night. It didn't split at all. Okay, so they say 145 meters, 476 feet. So I converted feet to yards. That's 158 yards. Suggest a crochet hook of 1.5 to 2 millimeter. And needle is 2.75 to 3.25 millimeter. They say if you make a dress, you need 15 to 17 rolls. A shawl would be 5 to 6 rolls. Kids' dresses 9 to 11 rolls. And shawls 3 to 4 rolls for children. Shawls for children. So that's a lot of great information in a language that I can read on their site, English. And these per ball are $6.03 Canadian. Okay, now they have sales, they have coupons, things like that on their site. So I don't know, because I got these free to show on my channel, I don't know if they have a new customer coupon code or not. I'm not really sure. But let's do a little bit of crocheting with this, shall we? Okay, let's see. Lace yarn. It certainly is lace. It's very, very thin. 1 weight or 0 weight. I don't even know. Like a lace yarn. Isn't that 0 weight? I'm not sure. But I know it's very thin, as you can hopefully see as I show it here. Okay, so they suggest for crochet hook 1.5 to a 2 millimeter. Okay, These start at a 2.5. So I'll use a 2.5. So we can try out the hook and the yarn at the same time. Okay, like I said last night, I tried out this yarn already. I was just doing a little bit of crocheting. I planned on making just a, small summer scarf or cowl. And yeah, I didn't have, well, I wouldn't have had time last night anyway, because that would take some time to make that. But decided I better go to bed. Okay. So it doesn't split. These hooks work really well. This size does. They're very pretty colors, very summery, spring summery. They do have another color I saw on their site, and I did see another yarn, different yarn. I don't know what the name of it is, but so they have a couple of different yarns on their site. I'm really happy with this, the way it crochets. The hooks are really nice too. Just making some single crochets right now. I'm going to link everything below. Each item will have a link below. Well, there's only 2 items. They'll have a link below. And I'm not sure if they've given me a discount code. I need to check my emails again. But if there is, that will be below as well for you guys to get an extra, extra good deal. Yeah, so I like to do reviews on different companies when they ask me to. Not, I'm trying to gear more towards crochet items, hooks, and if they have yarn. I'm really glad this company has this yarn. This is actually really nice yarn. You see, it's not splitting at all, and it looks nice. Let's see. Let's do some double crochets. Yeah, there's that next color. We had the yellow, and now we're going into a pink. Oh, they're really nice colors. Yeah, I think this would make a really nice summer scarf, just like as a fashion scarf. So nice. Going back into the yellow. Oh, let me do. Yeah. Do one more like that. I did one more there with the yellow. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. I think these colors would look amazing in like a shell stitch or something. I do have a tutorial. I'll link it below for it's a cowl, lightweight cowl that I made, and it's I chose a stitch that shows off the colors in the yarn, so I'll link that below. All right, so $6.03 for one Canadian, and the set was $5.28. And I recommend this yarn. Yes, I do. It's not rough. Actually, quite smooth. It works up well. It doesn't split. It's I guess you call that plied when you're when all the strands are wound together. And so they stay together while you're crocheting. And yeah, good deal. Thank you, New Craft Day. And thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, click like, leave a comment below. You know, if you're interested in ordering this, I mean, I would order more actually. I would. I don't know if I will, but I would, you know. I just placed a couple of orders for yarn. Oh my goodness, from someone else. All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you and have a wonderful day.